I don't know what to say. Amazon is getting extremely out of hand right now, in a bad way, but in a good way. If you're, I don't know how you're looking at it. What's going on, guys? My name is John. I'm an account executive here at My Amazon Guy, and if you are in any one of these categories I'm about to show you, you may have a problem. And I'll tell you why. Let me show you. So let me move my head out the way over here. I'm gonna go over here. Let's take a look at, I don't know, let's type in men's supplements, for example, right? Who doesn't need a good supplement? Now, if you notice, scroll down here, what do you see right here? Oh my goodness. Add to cart, add to cart, add to cart, add to cart. Add to cart is officially on the SERP, the search engine result page, on dozens and dozens of categories. At first, Amazon was rolling it out on a few categories, and not everyone is seeing it. So if you don't see it, I don't know. But if you do see it, yikes. Because what this means is if you are, let's say, one a day, and I have force factor here, right? I don't know if these are apples and apples or not, but guess what? I can buy just from right here, just by clicking add to cart. I don't have to go to the actual product detail page anymore. So whatever photos you have on the product detail page, whatever testimonials, whatever, us versus them, whatever images, whatever, any kind of thing that you want to convey to me as a customer that's a compelling reason for me to purchase from you, I might not get a chance to see that. And this might be the only image I'm able to see, or your customer is able to see, and whatever data is here. So why are we focusing on this? Because your main hero image is the most important image. I mean, it's called the hero image for a reason. It's the hero. It's the Bruce Wayne. It's the Clark Kent. It's the who's the Marvel version? I'm a Marvel guy. I don't know why I'm giving you DC people. It's the Logan. Okay. It's the Ryan Reynolds of images. That didn't make sense. We're gonna go with it. So you want to be able to very clearly convey from the main hero image what the value prop is here. Because you can see certain things aren't showing. And I think it's if it's subscribe and save. If you have subscribe and save on, so this might be a little bit of a hack, right? To get people to kind of click on your product. Because I think if you have subscribe and save enabled, it doesn't show add to cart. No, that's not true because subscribe and save is here. So I'm wondering why it's showing no add to cart on this one. Because there's variations. Okay, so if you have variations, I think it's not going to show the add to cart. So if you don't have variations, it's going to show the add to cart. So a couple things here. If you don't care about your main hero image, just throw some variations and maybe someone will click on you. No, don't do that because then the competition might have that. Focus on your main hero image. Focus on that. Show the ingredients, show the flavors. We'll go into something else. Let me move my head over here. We'll go into, let's say, energy drinks. Okay, so here's the thing, right? A lot of people are going to talk about flavors. No one's really showing any flavors here. You're not giving me a compelling reason. I love Monster White. That's the best one. But no one's talking about flavors. We're not showing any flavor profiles here. Right here we go. We have Mountain Dew is showing, the lemon and the lime. But if I go over here, Rockstar Zero Carb, what does this taste like? What's the flavor component in there, right? Versus Ghost, we see cherry limeade. So you'll see this also in a lot of, and by the way, add to cart on the SERP. You'll see this a lot in supplement powder, protein powder. Chocolate, add to cart on the SERP. Chocolate, chocolate. You're seeing all this kind of stuff here. Compelling, compelling. This says vanilla, right? Let me move my head over here. Here's vanilla, right? Oh no, this is unflavored. That's a bad example. Where's vanilla? This is unflavored too. Let's see here. Here's chocolate, right? You don't really see any chocolate, but here's chocolate with a piece of chocolate. So I'm inclined to click on them. 6,000 sold in the past 30 days. 600 sold in the past 30 days. I rest my case. Guys, if you're not focusing on your main hero image and CTR, you're leaving money on the table. Don't do that. And I can help. Book a call with me today. Click on the linky link below. Ring a ding ding. Talk to me. We'll chat a little bit about how we can help. That's what I'm here for, right? So let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment below. I also review ASINs too, by the way. So if you have an ASIN and you just book a call with me, we'll talk more about it. But make sure to fix that CTR. Q1 is right around the corner, supplement brands. Oh, by the way, surprise! I love this kind of stuff. Technology.